next program is called Elevate. This is also one that I love. Elevate is for the woman who's experiencing hair loss. She's wearing hair. You could be new to wearing hair or not so new to wearing hair, but you're just not really happy with how you're doing it or the results you're getting. So you really want it to look and feel most like you, right? I mean, that's mostly why we start wearing hair. Sometimes women get overwhelmed and discouraged and they're like, they just keep doing the same thing or wearing hair that, you know, even they think maybe doesn't even look that great. They don't know what else to do, so they just keep doing it. So the Elevate program is to help you take your hair wearing game to the next level. If I showed you pictures of, let's say, 25 years ago when I was wearing hair, 20 years ago when I was wearing hair, even 10 years ago when I was wearing hair, the difference is drastic. You learn as you go, and that's what I did. And I'm sure getting some formal training, did that help me? Probably. But anybody can learn to do anything. I just learned. So anything that I've learned, you can learn, and I'm here to teach you. The Elevate program is so fun. You're kind of over the hump a little bit, hopefully. If you're not, I can help you with that too. Hopefully you're over the hump just a little bit with like the anxiety about wearing hair and because there is some anxiety about that. Now you're just looking to like, okay, like I'm kind of settled into wearing hair, but maybe a little too settled. Maybe every time I look at it, I'm like, I just really want this to be better. I really want it to be different, or I want to know how to style better. We do all that in Elevate, and it's so much fun. It's so much fun. It's so much fun in a group setting, and it's also really fun when it's just me and you. So if you feel like you need a little bit more one-on-one, then do the one-on-one program. If you're looking to like be in a group, build some like other relationships, be in a group with people, not just learn from me, but learn from everybody else as well, then maybe your group's for you.